Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Blue Collar Garage. Doing some more work on my daughter's 2016 Chrysler 300 and going to be upgrading the carpet floor mats to some floor liners today. Alright, so I just got these delivered today. As you can see, went with the Husky liner, and these particular ones are called the Weather Beater. And you can see there's the part number 98081, and this will fit the 2011 to 20 Chrysler 300s or the 2011-20 Dodge Chargers. And this particular part number will only fit the all-wheel drives, so the rear-wheel drive ones must have a different floorboard or something, because these mats are custom fit to your car. And as you can see, they're kind of a plastic material. Husky does make a different style that's called the exact liner, I think is what it is, and it's more of a flexible rubber. As you can see, these ones here aren't really flexible, but they got a nice tray to keep the water, snow, mud, and all that in. And you can see each one's individually labeled. So this would be the rear passenger, and then of course got the driver and the front passenger there as well. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how they fit. Alright, so let's go ahead and start off with the passenger front one here. Undo my clip here. And then as you can see, they do have spikes, which are pretty pokey, to help hold them onto the carpet there. Let's see how this one fits in here. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Take a look here, you can see. So it does just fit right over the original clip there for the factory mats, which is kind of nice, because I know on some of the WeatherTech ones, there's a hole there for your clip, but then all this water and snow is just going to run down into that hole. So what I like about the Huskies is you can see it fits right over that. And you can see fits really well. Goes way up here to protect the carpet up there, and then also protects the side right here, which is really nice. And like I said, it just holds the water, mud, and everything else in here, which is good for the Colorado winters here where I'm at. So let's go ahead and try the drivers. Alright, so for the driver's side here, we got two clips. So let's see, get these off and see if they line up with that one. As you can kind of see, this carpet's stained from salt and slush and that from when it snows here. Same with around this clip here, you can see. So that's what I'm hoping these new mats will help protect that. Slide this up in here. See if we can get these clips lined up. Take a closer look. You can see that's perfect fit. Lines right up against that. And then you got plenty of clearance for your pedals here. And what's also nice on this is it protects back behind here, because you can see even got stains back in there from the salt and everything. So that looks pretty good. And then you can see also you got your little Husky logo there, Says these are guaranteed for life. So there's the driver's side. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and move on to the rears. So next, do the driver rear. Closer look at this one, and you can see that one fits in there just perfect too. And you can see right here, it even has this little hump where it goes up over to where it fits in there just perfect as well. So that looks really good. All right, last but not least, let's go ahead and move on to the passenger rear. Okay, and then here's the passenger rear. And I did put the seat up so you guys can see it pretty good. And just like the others, looks like a perfect fit there. And that looks really good. All right, so here's the finished product of the rears. That's what both of those look like. I'll come along here to the passenger front. You can see it also gives it a really clean, sleek look as well. And then here's another look at the driver's side. Nice, shiny, clean look to them. And the reason I went with the Huskies because they were quite a bit cheaper than the WeatherTechs. We'll see how they hold up. I got some WeatherTechs in my work truck, and they seem to be about the same quality. So we'll see how they do. But again, this is a 2016 Chrysler 300, and I went ahead and upgraded the carpet floor mats with some Husky floor liners. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other videos. Actually got a couple on this car. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.